Construction vehicles. Excavator. Excavators are used to dig in the ground or to move large objects. Cement mixer truck. A cement truck carries ready mixed concrete to buildings or construction sites. Concrete is mixed inside the rotating drum. Bulldozer. A bulldozer is an earth-moving machine designed to push large quantities of rubble, soil, sand, rocks, and other loose materials. Crane truck. A crane truck, also called a boom truck, is a transport vehicle that has a crane built into its structure that helps load and unload large goods. Dump truck. A dump truck is a vehicle that is utilized at construction sites to transport construction materials to and from the site. Road roller. A road roller or compactor is a type of engineering vehicle that is commonly used to compact soil, gravel, concrete, asphalt, or other materials in road construction, airport or foundation work, at landfills, or in agriculture. Backhoe. Backhoes are versatile. They come with a bucket and digging arm that can perform many different tasks, such as digging, small demolitions, moving materials, landscaping, breaking asphalt, and paving roads. Skid steer. A skid steer is a small but versatile piece of machinery, primarily used for grading and moving material in the construction world. It can perform many other tasks with the assistance of hundreds of available attachments. Grader. Graders are heavy-duty machines designed with a long blade that is most commonly used in civil construction, roadwork, and on mining sites for creating smooth and flat surfaces. Forklift. A forklift is used for lifting and moving goods on a pallet within the premises of a warehouse, storage facilities, and distribution centers. Front loader tractor. Front end loaders are versatile machines used to pile debris into dump trucks or move loose materials such as rocks, dirt, snow, wood chips, and feed. Flatbed truck. A flatbed truck is a large vehicle with a flat body and no sides or roof around the bed. Typically, these types of trucks are used to transport heavy loads that won't be compromised in bad weather or on rough roads. Tower crane. Tower cranes usually deal with things like lifting and placing steel beams in place, transporting building materials, moving heavy equipment, concreting part of the structure, and much more. Scissor lift. A scissor lift is a machine made to move personnel and equipment in a vertical direction. These lifts can handle any application that would normally require a ladder, tower, or scaffolding. Semi-truck. Semi-trucks are used in the shipping industry because they can haul large quantities of goods over long distances. They are also commonly used to transport construction equipment, such as bulldozers and cranes.